Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize an Xbox Series X in the Xbox app, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Xbox app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the official App Store. Once the app is open, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly in the app. After signing in, navigate to the main screen of the app. Locate and select the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. In the Profile section, look for the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open the app settings. Next, find the Devices tab within the Settings menu. Select Devices to view available devices connected to your account. If your Xbox Series X is not listed, ensure it is powered on and connected to the same network. Now, go back to the main settings and select Connect to Xbox. The app will search for your Xbox Series X. Once it appears, select your console from the list. The app will display a prompt to authorize your console. Confirm the authorization request on both your console and the app. You may need to enter a verification code displayed on your Xbox screen. Once authorized, you will see a confirmation message in the app. Your Xbox Series X is now successfully authorized. You can start managing games, friends, and settings directly from the app. Explore the various features available to enhance your gaming experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.